Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon pudding from scratch. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh lemons for their zest and juice, granulated sugar, and a few large eggs. Don't forget cornstarch for thickening, whole milk, unsalted butter, and a small pinch of salt. Having everything ready before you begin makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create that vibrant lemon base. Start by zesting 2 to 3 fresh lemons, being careful to avoid the bitter white pith. Then, juice those lemons until you have approximately 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. In a medium saucepan, whisk together your granulated sugar, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Gradually pour in the milk and lemon juice, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Next, we'll cook and thicken our pudding to perfection. Place your saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly with a whisk. The mixture will gradually thicken, taking about 5 to 7 minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk your egg yolks. Slowly drizzle a small amount of the hot pudding mixture into the yolks, whisking vigorously to temper them. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Then, pour the tempered yolks back into the saucepan and cook for just 1 more minute. Finally, let's finish our delicious lemon pudding. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the unsalted butter and the reserved lemon zest until everything is smooth and well combined. The butter adds a lovely richness and shine. Carefully pour the warm pudding into individual ramekins or a larger serving dish. Cover the surface with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming, then chill for at least 3 hours or until it's perfectly firm and cold. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.